Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Alright, so I wanted to let you guys know I didn't buy this clay, bought this, and they're pretty good knives. They're little Milwaukee fold-out knives. And it has a clip on it. It has a button that you push right here. It's supposed to be able to flick it out. It doesn't do it easily. And then you push this little button right here on the side and to change the blade. A little difficult, but it's a good knife. Now, I don't normally use these knives on drywall. If I do a lot of drywall, because all this stuff like here and on these edges end up making blisters, even if you got calluses and tough hands like me. So you end up having to buy a knife that's kind of rounded all the way around, no slide back, because those slide backs end up making bruises and wearing a blister there. And so it's rounded all the way around with one screw. That is the best knife for drywall. But these knives are good for, this particular is a Milwaukee. It was on sale. These knives are good for all the little knick-knack things that we've been doing. So hopefully that you can learn that this, when it was on sale, was at a fair price. So these fold-out knives work out good to have in your pocket. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.